Rajya Sabha session adjourns till 11 a.m. of February 13 without presenting Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 today. Widespread protests of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 continue amid indefinite curfew imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West districts. MPCC members led by CLP leader Okram Ibobi staged protest demonstration against CAB 2019 at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. And District Magistrate Imphal West prohibits transmission or retransmission of any form of agitation under Section 19 of Cable Television Networks Regulation Act 1995. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Laithangwa Monica with the latest news updates. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 was not tabled at Rajya Sabha today. The contentious bill, which has been listed in the revised list of business for Rajya Sabha to be tabled by the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, today could not be tabled due to ruckus in the Parliament over issues where Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav was not allowed to attend a meeting at UP by the Chief Minister Adityanath Yogi. Without presenting the bill, which is burning the entire states of Northeast India, including Manipur, Rajya Sabha was adjourned till 11 a.m. tomorrow after the ruckus. Normal life in Manipur was crippled with the day being declared as Notice People D-Day in India by Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 Manpack over and above the ongoing total shutdown against CAB 2019 called by People Alliance Manipur PAM since yesterday. In view of the current upheavals concerning Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, indefinite curfew has been imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West districts. Imphal City bore deserted looks with people remaining indoors today. All vehicles, including commercial and passenger vehicles, remained off the state highways, district and interstate roads. Educational institutes remained closed and all business transactions halted, with all markets remaining shut down. State police and paramilitary forces deployed at strategic locations across Imphal Valley are keeping a strict vigil to ward off any unwanted incident. Despite the imposition of indefinite curfew, widespread protest meets against passing of CAB 2019 in the Rajya Sabha were carried out across the state today. Residents of Imphal East and Imphal West, along with local clubs and Mera Paibi members, came out on streets and agitated against CAB 2019 at various places today. Protesters staged sit-ins and took out protest rallies in solidarity to the movement against the bill initiated by Manpack and PAM. Police personnel deployed at strategic locations kept a strict vigil to avoid unwanted incidents. Protesters staged sit-ins and carried out rallies at Singjamai Yumnam Lekai, Singjamai Kakwa, Singjamai Liwa Road, Maibam Lekai, Tidim and Kwakaithil Bazar area in Imphal West. Police opened tear gas cells to contain the agitations. Protesters blocked roads and hoisted black flags condemning CAB's 2019. Sit-ins were held in various parts of Thangmeiban constituency. Relay hunger strike of Thangmeiban United Club Tuk condemning the bill continued unabated. Tuk staged a sit-in at Thangmeiban Maisnam Lekai displaying various placards against the bill. Residents of Langol Tarung village took out protest on CAB 2019 in front of Tarung Community Hall. Protesters held various placards and chanted slogans against passing of the bill in the Rajya Sabha. Scuffles occurred between police and CAB protesters in front of Manipur University gate today. Students of Manipur University, along with people of the area, tried to storm BJP Manipur temporary office at Kanchipur, and police fired tear gas cells to disperse the protesters. The protesters also reiterated by pelting stones. Residents of Hairangoithong Awang Maibam Lekai, Liwa Road marched towards BJP office and along with protesters in front of Manipur University gate jointly carried out on the protest. Additional Imphal West police personnel flocked the area and tried to disperse the protesters. Protesters of Singjamei Chinga Mathak to Moirangkhom were also dispersed by teams of police personnel. "14 men of Kiamgai took out naked protest against CAB 2019 near the gate of BJP Manipur State Unit Office in Kanchipur around 10:30 this morning. State police halted the naked protesters as they marched towards the BJP office. Many protesters at Kiamgai violated curfew and blocked the Indo-Myanmar road. They also burned the portraits of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Biren.
Protest field of protest as BJP Sarkar in Akogi, Yellow meetings, Munabi Tabak, Akogi private part, Yauziri, Piro Aduga Matanga, Akogi Sarana, Dharana, Sandokana Vidamata, Nasia, when the PN the Vidam to protest.
Residents of Kurai Thongam Lekai today blocked Imphal Ukrul Road against the contentious bill. Residents of Sagolban Maino Leirak, Moirang Mayum Leirak, Nepra Menjor Leirak, Thingom Lekai and Sega Road, Khairakpam Lekai also blocked the roads and staged sit-in condemning the bill. The protesters also chanted various slogans against the bill. Protesters hoisted black flags and wore black shawls condemning the bill. Police allegedly damaged the properties of a family in Kurai Thongam Lekai while chasing 3 CAB protesters suspected to have ran inside the house. Soyam Santos and his wife Samita alleged the police of breaking the front door of their house without even calling out to open it. Samita also says the police destroyed their furniture. She expressed discontentment at the conduct of the police.
Kaishu irang am the tobana teba, may have a cop on the tobana chum the lab labin among the commando lap with the Sum the Sakiba, or the Moigari and Hum Laget, the Gong Toxaleva, me tuck the Mong the Go of the Acquisitions and a key than a Moisa Side the Maruha leba, Lavabule to Hansel sang ever the Aquitong get things a later, made things a labor, the Moisa Kawai, but I call no quick the meme the labor and a tea and a hypercandana, Moyan Tad, Moya them to the Creba Tongue, no using a city kai batari and the musical talk the Dina Hireva. The Tobiga no Moja Ani Humla Kaura Meva Kaw the Nanka, Ika season have a deal of Bule Capsulanina Muto Evoca, Moja Mangoza, Imangel, Haleva, Isaac Kapagana, the Tobino Tobino, and Hive the go to Evoca, go to the Moja Loy Tole, Tola Tola the Mujum Sacrodana, Moitola, Moicamado, Mams, the Imungzam, Loy Sanga Ying Eva.
Another labor Imungida, Ima Makatang Changi, Hivagidamata, Ima the Mona Hat like a Heidi Bra, Ima the Pugan at चेंजल लाइब्रा इमा चेंजन खरबनेना मिगी अनाब लाइबे इमुंगसिदा थोंगजे कौखाइ बिरे ngasi थुगाइ बिरे मोइना अदो मोइना तौरिबा मोंग मतौजे अखोइगा मोइगा लान थेंनाजे हाइब्रा इंडिया गी ओइना तौरइबा मनुंगसिदा मोइगा अखोइगा थेंनाजे ना हाइब्रा नत्रगना पुलिस की माइगैगा अखोइगा ओइना तौनाजे हाइब्रा मोइगी अपामबजे अखोइ हुजिमा खंगनिंगी मोइना तौरिजे अखोइ याम पेंदे मोइना तौरिबा थवंगजे मोइना अखोइ ngapigadra harga moina oina अखोइदा चाबाजे सि मतुंगदा अखोइ अमोहना तौबिगानु.
Agitations against CAB 2019 continued in different parts of Bishnupur district today. Members of Mera Paibis and local clubs hoisted black flags in various parts of the district against the bill. Protesters blocked roads and took out mass rallies at various places in the district. Protests over CAB 2019 were carried out in various places of Thoubal district today. Protesters blocked National Highway chanting various slogans against the bill. Residents of Thoubal Mela Ground, Yairipok Lamkhai, Thoubal Athokpam Bazar, Khangabok Bazar, Thoubal Wangbal and Wangjing Bazar agitated against the bill. Roadblock protests made against CAB 2019 were also carried out at Lelong, Waitho, Leisangthem, Kekman, Sabal Tongba, Thoubal Bazar, Khetri Lekai, Phogden, Wangkhem, Yairipok and Charangpat. Protesters burnt portraits of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren at Charangpat Nepra Company. Protesters stormed the residence of Wangjing Tentha MLA P. Brojan at Wangjing Bazar. Police finally managed to control the situation. Thoubal District Police is keeping a strict vigil to avoid unwanted incident in the district. Gathering of more than 4 individuals has been banned in the district under CRPC 144. Members of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC led by CLP leader Okram Ibobi and INC CWC member Gaikhangam staged protest demonstration against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in New Delhi today. The Congress team chanted various slogans against BJP-led NDA government and Citizenship Amendment Bill at New Delhi's Jantar Mantar till 5 this evening. Impact News sources says All India Congress Committee is objecting the bill at Rajya Sabha under the leadership of opposition party leader Ghulam Nabi Azad. Even though the contentious bill is not produced in Rajya Sabha today, Congress party stands firm to stand against the bill when it is produced tomorrow. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and his team will continue protesting the bill at Jantar Mantar from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. tomorrow. District Magistrate Imphal West, Manipur, Naurem Pravin, in exercise of powers conferred under Section 19 of the Cable Television Networks Regulation Act 1995, has prohibited television channels from transmission or retransmission of agitation or protest of any form, inflammatory speech and public discourse that may incite to violence, and program which may lead to breach of public peace and tranquility in public interest. The order has immediate effect until further notice. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manpack urging the public to continue on the road protests of CAB 2019. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur people against CAB Manpack urged the public to continue on the road protests of CAB 2019 until the bill is completely withdrawn from the parliament. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, member of Manpack Core Committee Sunil Karam condemned the state government curtailing internet service, imposition of indefinite curfew, firing of tear gas cells and smoke bombs towards the public as if the state is in an undeclared emergency, while member of Manpack Core Committee PH Deban condemned the notification of Imphal West District Magistrate which imposed restrictions on local cable service providers.
Agitator akoi punamaki mafam da su amuk appeal tawjani ba wafam di karigumba tangai padana press kum media gumba lapu matam da miyam gi yau sigi coverage tawna ba laiba press media khudimuk tasu aikoi yau hobi ba mayam punamangna aikoi masi thabot thadok bi ba aduga tangai padaba lining laishongi togi dharmagi karigi adi maigi isingi sumba mayam singse ana yak mayam singse masi masu thadokpiu aduga loina maramarakta men pekna iyo sigi himai sumba amasung iyo sigi tangkak kramai toge haibase on the way da lakpa matamdasu men peki mioi singbusu cooperation pibiyo haibajima koi thamjaningi
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯗꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ
All Manipur Newspapers and Electronic Media Employees Association in a press release appealed to the public and the government not to impose restrictions on employees of print and electronic media who are working relentlessly 24/7 in service of the people amid public curfew and ongoing agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill in the state. A public discourse on CAB attended by leaders of Ziliarong Union, Manipur, Assam and Nagaland was held at Nonei district today. Speaking to media, Manpac convener Dilip Yumnamcha asserted that on-the-road protest of CAB 2019 will be carried out until the bill is withdrawn. He warned to intensify agitation against CAB in retaliation to imposition of curfew in Imphal West and Imphal East. Speaking to media, Manpac co-convener cum president of Ziliarong Union, Amu Kamei, warned of agitations in hill areas until the bill is withdrawn.
Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 bu singnaduna masi total withdraw tawgadabani haiba pandamasi makhada changsilakpa khongjang amagi oina maphamasida miphamase pangthokpani parliament ki session asi mathangi numit ki pung 13 phaude yeithokhibaga iroinana Imphal East amsung West Manipur government su curfew lauthokpasina maram oirakanda Manpac ki khongjang asi su hanagi asumna hena kansenna makhata na chathagigani
hayeng hangchik che masi withdraw tawdardi masi adum khongjang che ekhoi district ki oin hill district ki shu tawani.
All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko observed its 26th Foundation Day at Amuko office in Kwakai. Speaking on the occasion, Amuko President PH Deban asserted that Amuko has been working for peace, development and integrity of the state. Deban assured that Amuko will continue taking active roles in solving various issues of the state.
Community mayam singsigi marakta thoaningdaba thawdu wathok mayama Bharat Sarkarna tawdana lakre adubu madugumba singdudagi aikoi ngasi phawba ngakhoganda miyam sing bhap tamnaraganda adumaina ngasi phaw Manipur kanduna lai amukogi achetpa pandamdi Manipura punchinba yadraba kanglup khaktangi aigi community khaktangi khanbagi wakhalonda thabak tawriba mayam singje amatoina punchilaganda aikoi Manipuri amoina Manipur miyamda singnariba tongan ba aikoi unity da threat piriba ado unity thugaina ba honariba khana ba honariba pumna makse aikoi amatoina punjalaganda thengna ba haiba pandamduna ahanbu oijaraga Manipur integrity unity the base tawaganda mana semjabani.
Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Rajya Sabha session adjourns till 11 a.m. of February 13 without presenting Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 today. Widespread protest of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 continue amid indefinite curfew imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West districts. MPCC members led by CLP leader Okram Ibobi staged protest demonstration against CAB 2019 at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. And District Magistrate Imphal West prohibits transmission and retransmission of any form of agitation under Section 19 of Cable Television Networks Regulation Act 1995.